Hello everyone. Today we will solve exercise 2.4 from NCERT book. Question number 1. Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Let us suppose Amina thinks a number is equal to x. First condition, and she subtract 5 by 2 from that number. Okay. Now next is, now she multiply this result by 8. You will get 8 into x minus 5 by 2. Now according to question, the result now she obtained is equal to 3x, means 3 times of number she thought. Next, multiply 8 into x, you will get 8x. Next, 8 multiplied by 5 by 2, you will get 40 by 2 is equal to 3x. Next, transpose minus 40 by 2 to the right hand side and 3x to the left hand side. You will get 8x minus 3x is equal to 40. 40 by 2 can be written as 20, and here 8x minus 3x is equal to 2x. Now divide both sides by 2, you will get 2x divided by 2 is equal to x, and 20 divided by 2 you will get 10. So the number she thought is equal to 10. Is it clear? Question number 2. A positive number is 5 times the another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers become twice the other new number. What are the numbers? So let us suppose another number is equal to x, then positive number become 5 times of that another number. Now according to question, if 21 is added to the both number, if we add 21 to x and 5x plus 21, you will get x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Next, according to question, that positive number becomes twice of that another number. Okay. Now next, 2x, 2 into 21, 42. Now next, transpose plus 21 to the right hand side and 2x to the left hand side. You will get 5x minus 2x is equal to 42 minus 21. After solving, you will get 3x is equal to 21. Next step, divide both sides by 3. You will get x is equal to 21 upon 3. 21 divided by 3, you will get x. Now value of x is equal to 7. So put that value here. You will get x, another number is equal to 7, and positive number 5 into 7 is equal to 35. Question number 3. Sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original by 27. What is the two-digit number? So let unit place digit is equal to x, and the sum of two-digit number is equal to 9. It is given to us. So tens place digit becomes 9 minus x because their sum is 9. So, and we know that expanded form of two-digit number is equal to 10 times of tens place digit plus unit place digit. So from here our original number becomes 10 times the tens place digit plus unit place digit. So solving this, you will get 10 into 9 minus x, you will get 90 minus 10x. Next, plus x, you will get 90 minus 9x. Now next part is, if we interchange the digits. Now look here, unit place digit become 9 minus x. Earlier it was x. Now tens place digit, now it is x. Earlier it was 9 minus x. So we have interchanged both the digits. Now new number by using same method. Now new number becomes 10 times of tens place digit plus the unit digit. You will get 10x minus x, you will get 9x plus 9. Now according to the question, new number is equal to 27 greater than the original number. ग्रेटर है तो प्लस का साइन यूज करेंगे. नाउ न्यू नंबर इट इज 9x plus 9 is equal to original number we have 90 minus 9x plus 27. Solve these equations yourself. You will get x value is equal to 6. Put that x value in the original number. You will get that original number is equal to 36. Question number 4. One of the two digits of two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of two-digit number and add resulting numbers to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? So this question is same as question number 3. So let us suppose unit place digit is equal to x and the tens place digit is equal to 3 times of the unit place digit. So two-digit number expanded as 10 times the tens place digit plus unit place digit. Using this method, we will get original number, that is 10 times of tens place digit plus unit digit. You will get 30x plus x is equal to 31x. Now on interchanging, you will get unit digit is equal to 3x. Early it was x, and the tens place digit you will get x. Early it was 3x. We have interchanged the digits. Now new number becomes 10x plus 3x, that is equal to 13x. Now according to the question, new number plus original number is equal to 88. It is given to us. So 13x plus 31x is equal to 88. Solve this equation. You will get x value 2. Put that value in the original number. You will get original number is equal to 62. Question number 5. It is given Shubho mother present age is 6 times Shubho present age. So let us take Shubho present age is equal to x. Next, then the Shubho mother present age will be 6 times of Shubho age. Next line, Shubho age 5 years from now means what? After 5 years, Shubho age, it will be 1/3 of his mother present age. Shubho age after 5 years, it will be x plus 5. Now according to question, they are saying that the age of Shubho after 5 years. What is the age of Shubho after 5 years? It is x plus 5. X plus 5 is equal to 1/3 of mother's present age, means 1/3 of 6x. Now after this, transpose x to the right hand side. You will get 2x minus x. In this way you will get x value is equal to 5. So put this value here. You will get Shubho present age is 5 years and mother age is equal to 30 years. Is it clear? Question number 6. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Moholi village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. So now length and breadth both are given in a ratio. So we will take length of the plot is equal to 11x and breadth of the plot is equal to 4x. Now read the next line. At the rate rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat at rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. So rate and cost both are given to fence the plot. So we will find perimeter from here by the formula, that is cost, total cost and the cost of 1 meter. So total cost it is given as 75,000 and cost of 1 meter is 100. So you will get 750 meter perimeter. And we also know that the perimeter of rectangle is given by formula 2 times length plus breadth. Now look here, both these are the perimeter of same rectangular plot. So we will put them equal. You will get 2 times length plus breadth is equal to 750. Put all the values here. 2 into 11x plus 4x is equal to 750. 11x plus 4x you will get 15x. Next step, 2 into 15x you will get 30x is equal to 750. Now divide both sides by 30. You will get 750 divided by 30 is equal to 25. So x value is equal to 25. Put that value here. You will get length of the plot 11 into 25 is equal to 275 meter and breadth you will get 100 meter. Is it clear? Now move to the next question. Question number 7. Hassan buys 2 kinds of clothes materials for school uniform. Shirt material that cost him 50 rupees per meter and trouser material that cost him 90 rupees per meter. For every 3 meter of the shirt material he buys 2 meter of the trouser material. So let us take shirt material is equal to 3x and trouser material is equal to 2x. Now cost of shirt material, cost of 1 meter of shirt is given 50 rupees. So cost of shirt of 3x meter is equal to 150x, and it is also given that he sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. He sells the shirt at 12%. So by using this formula you can find out the selling price of shirt by putting all the values. Profit percent is 12. It is given selling price is 150. After calculation you will get 168x. Now next, moving to next, cost of trouser material. Similarly you can find cost of trouser material, means 90 is the rate of the trouser material. It is given what is the trouser material, that is 2x. Multiply them, you will get 180x. Now selling price at 10% gain on trouser material, it is given 10%. So put all the values same as this using this formula. You will get selling price at 10% of trouser material is equal to 190x. Okay, now according to the question, selling price of both the materials is equal to 36,600. Now after calculation you will get x value is equal to 100. Put that value here, you will get trouser material, that is 2 into x, means 2 into 100 is equal to 200 meter length of trouser. Next, question number 8. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. So let us take the number of deer in the herd is equal to x. Next, number of deers grazing in the fields are, that is half of the number of deers, means it will be x by 2. Now, and the 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. So remaining deers will be, that is the total deers minus number of deers are grazing. Subtract them, you will get 2x minus x upon 2 is equal to x upon 2. So these are the remaining deers. So next they are saying that remaining 3/4 of the remaining are playing, means 3/4 of remaining are playing. You will get 3x upon 8, and the rest 9 are drinking water. Now according to the question, total number of deers are, that is x upon 2 are grazing in the field, 3x upon 8 are playing nearby, and 9 are drinking water. Sum of all these will equal to the number of deers. So transpose x upon 2 to the left hand side and 3x upon 8 to the left hand side. You will get x minus x upon 2 minus 3x upon 8 is equal to 9. Solve, take their LCM. You will get x upon 8 is equal to 9. Now multiply both sides by 8. You will get 9 into 8 is equal to 72. So x value is 72. Number of deers are 72. Is it clear? Now question number 9. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. So first of all we will take present age of granddaughter is equal to x. Now it is given that grandfather is 10 times older than granddaughter, so we will take 10 times x. Now according to question it is given that he is also 54 years older than her. It is given grandfather is 54 older than granddaughter. Older, that's why we will use plus sign here. So transpose x to the left hand side, you will get 10x minus x is equal to 54. After solving you will get x value is equal to 6. They put that value here. You will get age of granddaughter is equal to 6 years and grandfather age is equal to 60 years. Now next, question number 10. Aman age is 3 times his son age. So first of all let us take present age of Aman's son is equal to x years, and present age of Aman will be 3 times his son age, means 3x. It is given that 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. So first of all we will find their age 10 years ago. 10 years ago age of Aman's son was x minus 10 and age of Aman was 3x minus 10. So according to the question, now condition on 10 years ago, age of Aman was is equal to 5 times the age of Aman. Okay. Now next, solve this equation. 5 into x 5x, 5 into minus 10 you will get minus 50. Next line, transpose 5x to the left hand side and minus 10 to the right hand side. You will get 3x minus 5x is equal to minus 50 plus 10. 3x minus 5x you will get minus 2x is equal to minus 40. Now multiply both sides. Now divide both sides by minus 2x. You will get minus 40 upon minus 2. By divide you will get x is equal to 20. So Aman age will be 20 years and Aman age is equal to 60 years. This is their present age. So this was your 2.4 exercise. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.